This video is brought to you by NordVPN. Hit the link in the description for more info. I know say you be hot cake, 100 yards, husband material. I love that. That was so clever, man.
You be me. Normally I know they do like this, but nobody only.
Oh,
Let me see a bit John the Batty.
But now we're getting to Beggie Beggie. This name already makes me laugh, man. I hope it actually changes the tone a bit, because in between it was quite dark and depressing. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very deep song, but I'm gonna hope for something brighter on this one. Beggie Beggie, let's go. Okay? Oh, this is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet.
We were only lovers before the love came in. Now you be soldier. General no send me. Now I'm alone. Now you no send me. You just a post. You just a popo me.
Trust CKay to come with those strong, heavy guitars. CKay put out an EP, Boyfriend, that was so guitar driven, and I think he's bringing that little element here. So far, I can already hear that acoustic atmosphere already. Like,
you just a go. You know they answer me. Ewo, 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 kilo deo. Ewo, 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 kilo deo.
oh, I'm waiting for the harmony. Let's go. Okay.
All the guys gonna find me. Me, I know fit attend to.
Okay.
Me, I know fit compare you.
Alright. Oh, CKay, let's go. Let's go. CKay, yo.
Normally I know they do like this, but nobody only.
Oh,
let me see a bit John the Batty. I got issues,
This is good.
Girl, I made you cry and I gave you tissues. After that I kissed you.
Oh.
Then we made sweet love like we always do. You say
Oh.
I let you on. You
Let's
said
go. Hey, hey.
we were having fun.
Uh-huh.
Suddenly the love came in.
Ewo, ewo, ewo.
Kilo deo.
Oh, beautiful, man.
I
love that. I think I found my second favorite song so far, man. Hey. Hey. Ah, bro, this bridge. She's actually giving us a bridge. Yes, I'm here for it. I think this is the first bridge she's giving us, man. Nah. Let me take this back. Hey. Ah. Hey. 100 yards of my material. Are you mad? Hey, that was hard. That's a hard line. I like that. I like it. It's a brilliant song. I love it. Oh man, the writing on this album, bro. Fucking brilliant, man. That's brilliant.
We were only lovers before the love came in. Now you be soldier, general no send me.
Oh, beautiful. beautiful song right there. Okay, I think that's my favorite so far. I actually think that's my favorite so far, guys. We found it. Like, no. Okay, first off, from in between down to this, a beautiful transition. Okay, actually changing the pace a little bit, because in between give us a funk of a feeling. It gave us it was a depressing song. It was a darker song. And then we're leading to something that we can hear got a lot more colorful in a way. You can hear the riff of the guitar, just very strong, very nice and simple, giving it this singer-songwriter feeling to it, you know. She opens up with, oh man, some of the most beautiful deliveries on this, man. And the pre-chorus into the chorus, ewo, kilo deo, like that part was catchy as hell. I felt like that was a strong point to transition into the hook, and how that again, the transitioning is so important, man. And that's what gets me. That's what makes me feel, okay, yeah, this is the part where you're supposed to sing along. This is the part where like the song is supposed to get to you, and it did just that. And then we get into the beautiful chorus, man. She said, "She the way they beg you, she Bambi Alamo Jenny." And if you guys don't know Bambi Ala, like I'm speaking to most of Nigerians, but I guess to the non-Nigerians, Bambi Ala was, I don't know, Bambi Ala is like basically a phrase used to describe beggars on the street, because I think they would sing Bambi Ala. There's a particular song that they sing, but that's where the name comes from. And then she's talking about how the person is fine, is a hot cake, and we get a bridge. We actually get a bridge on this song. We get a actual change in tone. And do you know what a bridge does? A bridge is so important because it gives the listener's ear a rest. It doesn't make the song feel so flat. It doesn't make the song feel so hook verse, and so like one dimensional. It gives another extra layer. It gives the listener some break, and it gives the listener's ear some break, you know. And I just loved how powerful that bridge was. It would have been nice if we had a change in key, like a modulation somewhere, but the bridge was still good. It had a change in melody, and then it got into the ewo kilo deo, and I was like, yes, this is it. I know say you be hot cake, 100 yards, husband material. I love that. That was so clever, man. Should I say myself, I be 100 yards, wifey material. I like it. A very, very brilliant song. Very cheeky. Very cute song, man. I love that. CKay killing it there. Beautiful synergy there. I would have loved for them to share the chorus. That would have been like icing on the cake for me, but it's still a brilliant song. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching that clip off of the album review. Of course, if you're new here, subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you get notified once the full album review is up. Also, don't forget to check out NordVPN. You can't be out here unprotected on these internet streets. Get protected. Get the fastest VPN on the market. Link in the description. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.